One of our favorite ornamental grasses of the group of Muhlenbergia is a very favorite genus. And this is one of my favorite, long has been. This is Muhlenbergia dumosa. It's called bamboo muhly because it looks like a bamboo, even though it's not. And this one normally is not hardy for us. We've tried this for years, the original collections from Mexico. None of those were hardy. So Patrick McMillan, our friend, and former worker here, found this one at a very high elevation in Arizona. And this one has been completely hardy. So now the key is, how do we get it into the nursery? We have to divide it. Muhlenbergias only can be divided when the weather's cool. They absolutely will die 100% if you divide them when the weather's warm. So now that it's cool, we're ready to go in here and chop. So we've got our tools for division. And we're going to start with this wonderful axe. And we're going to, if I can get turned around in here, got to situate myself just right to be able to get into this. These roots are very thick. Bad when you lose your glasses, you won't be able to see. And let's see now if we can get any of that out. The key for any time you're dividing a grass like this is big is do it a little bit at a time. If you try to go in and chop the whole thing, you'll never make any headway. All right, so we're almost through that. It's very thick, which is why we use the axe to chop through there. Okay, and we should be ready to pop that piece out. Here we go. First piece is out. So to get this in a 4-inch pot, we're going to have to chop that even more. Now, if we were transplanting in the garden, we could go ahead and do it just like that. We're trying to get it into very small pots. So we'll continue till we get things like this, and then we'll take it down now where we pot, and we'll take a smaller knife and cut it in even smaller pieces. We may be able to actually pull a couple of pieces apart here. Without a knife, and then again, we might not. So that's what we're looking to get to finally get where we have enough to pot. So hopefully we will take these down there now, and within another year we will have enough to finally be able to make this available. Oh.